Welcome to the Elon Effect, your daily check-in with everything orbiting the worlds of SpaceX, Tesla, X, Neuralink, and the Boring Company. I'm your host, Miles Vega. Let's dive in. Neuralink is preparing for its next major clinical trial, this one focused on speech. Starting in October, the company plans to test how its brain implant can translate thoughts directly into text. The trial will be conducted in the United States under FDA oversight through what's known as an investigational device exemption. Neuralink's president, DJ CEO, explained the vision this week. If you're imagining saying something, we would be able to pick that up. The goal is to help people with severe speech impairments communicate more naturally and more quickly. Instead of painstakingly selecting letters on a virtual keyboard, the system could read signals from the brain's speech cortex and transform them directly into written words. This speech trial is one of 6 studies Neuralink now has underway. The company's first clinical implant was in the US, and since then trials have expanded to Canada, the UK, and the United Arab Emirates. The progress highlights how quickly Neuralink is moving from single-patient proof of concept toward broader global testing. If successful, the technology could dramatically improve quality of life for people who currently have no reliable way to communicate. Meanwhile, Musk's AI startup, xAI, is facing questions about the direction of its flagship chatbot, Grok. The system was deliberately designed to be provocative, with features like a flirtatious avatar, a toggle between sexy and unhinged modes, and an image generation tool with a spicy setting. But according to reporting from Business Insider, that design choice has exposed xAI's contractors and staff to explicit and disturbing content. Workers described encounters with highly sexual material and even flagged instances where users requested illegal imagery, including child sexual abuse content. While this kind of harmful material appears across most major platforms, Grok's permissive design has raised particular concerns. Unlike OpenAI, Anthropic, or Meta, which generally blocks sexual requests outright, xAI has leaned into a more permissive style. Critics say this approach could make it harder to police abuse and risks putting the company out of step with industry norms around safety. So, on one side of Musk's empire, we see Neuralink pushing ahead with a trial that could give voice to those who can't speak, while on the other, xAI is testing the limits of how far a chatbot can go in pushing boundaries and sparking controversy along the way. That's your tech news for today. If you enjoyed this podcast, please consider subscribing and leaving a quick review. I'm Miles Vega, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Take care.